up, everybody? I got a problem. And it's Ratchets. It's an epidemic that the world, my world, Toronto, is facing. Every day, a new Ratchet's discovered. And sometimes it ain't who you think. Sometimes it's the sweetest girl you've ever seen. It's a sad story that I gotta tell. These ratchet girls, these ratchet girls, these ratchets. See, now my problem nowadays with Ratchets is that you can't tell who they are anymore. Before, you could walk down the road, you'd see the Ratchet, you see her, and a little sound in your brain, kind of like this. Like that'll be going off in your head, and it would say, Ratchet, 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 Ratchet. Like, you know those gas station signs with the lights? That will be like over her head. Say Ratchet. No, on the run. It'll say Ratchet. On the run. I'm on the run from these Ratchets. But nowadays, you don't know who they are. Now, it's the most sweet, innocent, beautiful, supple looking girl with the biggest Ratchets. What's this world coming to? See, now I'm all like riled up. These Ratchets got me riled up. So I need to spit a freestyle. Listen. I know this one Ratchet. I used to think she can catch it, but she caught it from the whole crew. Now she all used up, iPhone 2. Why would she let them get in? That's my one only question. Man, I hope she learn her lesson, and I hope she get tested. Damn. See, you know what Ratchets are doing nowadays? They got their 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 guys on the side, right? And then they find that one guy that likes them and that doesn't know that they're Ratchet. And they use them. They use that one guy, that poor unexpected guy. That guy could be me. That guy could be you. That guy could be your brother, your mother. It doesn't make sense, but still, could be. We gotta stop these Ratchets. We gotta stop this ratchetness, girls. Come on, ladies. You guys are better than this. Way better than this. There should be no Ratchets. Why is there Ratchets? Stop doing this to yourself. You guys are better than this. You guys are beautiful, talented, soft, nice, curvy. Ladies. You guys are ladies. You guys aren't girls. Unless you're like grade 9 or something. But still, stop being ratchet, y'all. It ain't cool. Now, for all you guys who want to get rid of those damn nasty Ratchets, I've come up with the formula for this new spray called Ratchet Repellent. See that? 1,000. The first one. And it's only, what? $5.99. Do you see this? This is the key to your Ratchet problems, males. Alright? All you need, 2 sprays, like that, right on you. You'll be Ratchet free for the rest of your life. Share it with your friends. Alright. Bang bang. Time to get turned up. Time to get turned up. Seen you with a ratchet. Damn the bitch, nasty. Just chilling in my house. Ratchet wanna come and open up her mouth. Say, Isaac, can I come over? Hell no. Ha! Cause I once thought you were hot. But now when I see you, it's not. Cause you've been with the whole crew. My friends ain't new. Especially you. Cause you was a nasty ratchet. Get turned up. Get turned up. Get turned up. Get turned up cause he's ratchet, man.